After completing outlet settings, click on Register and Sell Screen will appear. On the left-hand side, there are your product category, and on the top right-hand side, your customer database can be seen here. For example, Chris, go to the store and wants to buy some products. This one, and a Kit Kat Southern Australia. Pick the size and add to cart. After that, you can click Pay. Choose payment method, confirm, then complete. A receipt will be printed out after this step. All your orders can be seen in your order list. With order lists, you can easily filter all orders from online and other outlets as well. You can find an order by search the customer name or the order ID. After selecting an order information can be seen here with order status. Some options are sales split, duplicate, send invoice, or refund and exchange. To refund, click here. It will be forwarded back to the sales screen with amount to return. To exchange order, choose the item the customer picked and proceed as a normal sale. After that, you can check back to the order list. Your order is successfully refunded and a new order is created as an exchange one. About the receipt, there are many options for you to choose what to be seen on your receipt. Definitely, it's going to be your choice. For the tax system, if you have an e-commerce platform, you will see the tax set for your website over here. Or you can always click on this new tax button to create a new one. These guides are easy to set up for your in-store business. Many options like how to apply, types of discount, conditions, etc. And a good start and end date for your promotion.